y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use a thermal stencil machine and how to apply tattoo stencils to the skin. Okay, y'all, so this is what a thermal stencil printer looks like. There are a few different kinds. This one specifically I got from Amazon, and I don't remember the name, but I will drop a link to it in the description. To start, you want to make sure you have the design that you're trying to transfer to a stencil. So for today, this is what we're working with. Before you start, you want to make sure that you have the machine on mirror, which is this top button right here. And you want to make sure it's powered on, of course. So to start, I have my stencil transfer paper. And the most popular is Spirit. You can find that on Amazon as well. So what you want to do is there's a few different sheets within here. The first thing you want to do is on the white side, flip the first page up, and you want to take this filler sheet out and get rid of that. Then you want to flip it back to the other side, and you can either cut this or tear it off. Usually I tear it, but just for this video, I'm going to cut it. So right along the top edge, you want to cut that all the way across. This transfer sheet will go through this end right here. So you want to pull these up, pop it up on the side. And when you're putting it in, it goes through the back. You want to make sure you have the purple side facing down. So go ahead and slide that through the back. You want to make sure that it's even, just so that when it's transferring, it doesn't get caught up or anything. So you want to just leave maybe an inch or two out. Your design sheet face down. So make sure the ink on this side is facing down. The purple on the transfer paper is also facing down. So what you're going to do is slide that in there. The machine will grab it in a little bit, and then it's tight, so you can't pull it out. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to press the copy button to start the transfer, but you want to keep a finger on this just to guide it out, because sometimes it'll get tangled and it'll ruin the sheet. So just go ahead and click copy. Just give it a little tug as it's coming out, just to assist it through the machine. So once it's done, you can just click stop. It'll push the rest of the design paper out of the machine. And you just want to open this up. And here's our design on stencil paper. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to show you how to apply the stencil to skin. So here we have the stencil. What you want to do is just go ahead and cut that out. So here we have the stencil. This is the application I use to apply the stencil. This is stencil stuff. You can also find this on Amazon. There is a lot of different options you can use to apply stencils, so I'd say do your research. I've used a bunch of different good ones. If I can remember the names, I'll drop them in the description below. What you want to do before you apply any stencil is make sure you shade the area where the stencil will be placed. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get your applicator for your stencil. So like I said earlier, we're using stencil stuff. You want to make sure you shake it up, and then we're just going to apply a little bit. So you want to let it dry a little. And then you can go ahead and apply the stencil. So you want to just press down on it for a few seconds. So I did smudge it a little in the top corner and I didn't put enough stencil stuff on this side, but you can always wipe it off and reapply the stencil. So it's basically just a learning thing. As you do it, you'll realize how much stencil stuff to use, how much pressure to apply, how long to apply it, and you'll become a pro in no time.